The perpendicular bisector of a segment is the perpendicular line to the segment passing through its midpoint. Line D is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Symmetry with respect to an axis or a line. 2 points A and A prime are symmetric with respect to a line D. If line D is the perpendicular bisector of the segment A prime. Line D is called a line or an axis of symmetry. How do you draw the symmetric of a point with respect to a line? Now, we'll draw A prime, the symmetric of A with respect to line D, using set square, ruler, compass, and crayon. First, using the set square, we draw a perpendicular line from A to line D. Then, we elongate this line to the other side. Using the compass, update the compass of distance from line D to A with the same compass opening. We draw on the other side an arc. We mark this point A prime. Now, you can notice that the distance from point A to line D is the same distance from line D to point A prime. D is the line of symmetry and the perpendicular bisector of segment A prime. Steps to draw A prime, the symmetric of A with respect to line D. First, using the set square, construct a perpendicular line from A to line D. Second, elongate the perpendicular line. Now, using the compass, locate on line D a point A prime such that the distance from line D to A is equal to the distance from line D to A prime. Now, your task is to read page 223 in your book and solve exercise 1, page 63 in your booklet. What are the properties of symmetry about an axis? The symmetric of a segment is another segment equal to it. AB equal to A prime B prime equal to 5 centimeters. The symmetric of an angle is another angle equal to it. The measure of angle XOY is equal to the measure of angle X prime O prime Y prime. The symmetric of a figure is another figure congruent to it. Now it's your turn to read the properties of symmetry about an axis, page 224 in your book, and solve exercise 2, page 63 and exercise 3, page 64 in your booklet. After solving the exercise,